The market's retreating from records today. The market's really on edge with an uptick in rhetoric from the Middle East, seeing higher oil prices and also pretty sharp selling in software stocks. S&Ps had been down about 85 points midday, rallied back to almost unchanged, and then sold off some towards the end of the day. The Nasdaq's down about 1%. The Dow's about 0.5%. Like I said, software stocks, they are hit really hard today on the heels of disappointing results from IBM and ServiceNow, down about 8 and 15% respectively. Microsoft is down about 3%, Meta 2.5%, Palantir almost 8%. But on the flip side, we see Texas Instruments up nearly 20%, its biggest one-day gain in about 25 years. Business activity stronger than expected as manufacturing and services gauges both had upside surprises this morning, and weekly jobless claims, those came in a bit higher at 214,000. In the equity markets, we're seeing an uptick in implied volatility pretty much across the board today, but yesterday's E-mini short-term call activity, it remained really strong, about 40% of the total volume. Overall NQ call activity, that remains about 50% of the volume. Today's expiring 7100 puts, they traded opening about 25,000 of those, and they traded as high as $30 today. Tomorrow's expiring 7200 calls, also pretty large activity. In crypto space, after trading up near 79,000, Bitcoin's down to about 77,800, over 75,000 MBT contracts traded today. That's between both April and May contracts, and Bitcoin is still looking to break about 80,000. 82,000 is really the big resistance area that we're looking for.